So I've been trying to make arrows. Actually, I've had a great win. I made this one for somebody, but I don't know, I might keep it for a trophy. That has got to be one of the most expensive arrows I've ever seen. Ebony and brass. Enjoyed making that. So it looks really good on a black bow. But the reason the arrow is so short is because it broke. But there you go. Ebony arrow, that's a Cupid arrow. A brass pile, a brass point, plastic knock, and black and white turkey feathers. So anyway, getting back to these little jigs, you drill whatever size hole you want through there, and then I put a countersink on the other side, and then I planed it off until I just broke through the hole. And if you put a countersink in there, you actually get this tangential gap, a bit like a plane gap, I suppose. I've got that part cut, and I've got a plain out of spoke shaver I don't use. You could use the chisel, you could use the plane blade, whatever. So now, with this, I'll put it this way, and I'm going to put this on at an angle. Like that. What you will notice I've done here, and this is through trial and error, I've actually rounded this corner over because I was finding the hard corner was catching in the timber and ripping out, which was very disconcerting. So I'm going to put that there, get a couple of screws. Yeah, what I do is round over one end, and then what I can do is put that end in the screwdriver, the drill, then tighten that up, and then I taper this end. Oh yes! That's burning the fingers, I tell you. All right, now we'll put the 3/8 one in and try again. I think what I'm gonna have to do is put some bearings in there. And then we just sharpen it like a pencil sharpener. And then knock on the other end. Whoops. It has been frustrating, I'll tell you. That is that. All right, so there we have an arrow shaft. That that was it. It was just a real little quick stream to show, I guess, how far my arrow making expertise has increased since the last stream, when I was doing it all by hand, which is still fine. It'll work by hand. And this one actually will be a little bit longer than that one. But this one here I've been shooting all day, and it's really good. It was pretty straight and accurate at 30 metres. So yeah, I was quite happy with that. But I will persevere, which is all you can do. But I hope that was a little bit of insight of how you can make jigs. These ones here, as I said, one's a 7/16, one's a 3/8. You can do a 1/2 inch. What I'm actually going to do is make one with a taper. I'll be able to make a tapered jig that I can put a blade on, and then that'll set me up nicely for the points to go onto. So that's it for now. Steve, pulling the shed door down, saying remember to keep it sharp, but more importantly, keep it safe, look after yourself, be kind to each other, and I hope you don't have frustrating weeks like I've just had. But if you do, it's okay. In fact, I mentioned last stream that I'm going to be doing a podcast, which I've got it all set up. I just haven't recording anything yet. But what I'm thinking of doing is sharing my week, or if I do a project, share the highs and lows and frustrations of doing that project. And then once I've got it sorted, we can do a video on it. So it sounds good. So that's it. Can't think of anything else. Look after yourself, be kind to each other, and I will catch you in the shed again very, very soon. Till then, God bless. Bye for now.